anyways, wanna see my hoodie? Look at my hoodie. It's from White Fox.
Yeah, do it look drippy?
What?
Do it look drippy? Drippy means cool.
Yeah, you look drippy.
See if this is good.
What?
Because on your back there's like White Fox, and I touched it and it was good, so I can suck it.
What? You're
Yeah.
no more choop choop. You're not a baby anymore. What? Because I have a bunch of like school supplies still. Have my lock here. Let's wish that I still remember how to use it and remember the password. But most likely I don't. There's still a bunch of stuff here. So I'm like, why not use it now? Because when am I gonna use it anyways, you know? Let's not waste our money. See, I'm changing my mindset. Bye now. Today, I literally just woke up last minute. Not last minute, but I'm going to work now. So see you guys later. Guys, I got home from work like an hour ago, and now I'm babysitting Maku and Ersan, and we're watching the vlog that I just posted, vlog from last week, and I'm laughing at myself so much because I actually can't.
Oh, I almost want to share it.
It's funny.
Dun, 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 dun,
It's actually quite insane. It doubled in size so much. I should have filmed before, but it's literally so doubled. It hasn't even been an hour. Wow. Okay, ready? Wow. It doubled so much. Wow. So I'm just gonna divide it and make them into big old shapes. Circle it. I already made one right here. So these are just gonna puff up again. Set my oven to 425. Let's Bro, how do I flip it? Bro. Okay, that's the ugly side, okay? Just wait for the pretty side. Oh, the bagel is actually quite massive. And look at that one. I didn't expect it to be this massive. But I made 8 of them.
So big.
So, look at this one. This is puffed up. And then I still have to bake it.
What? It's so pretty.
Right?
Point it at me.
Why?
Guys, I'm a YouTuber. Make sure to go at ism.com and get my merch and get the Eggy and get the Spider-Man
He doesn't have
shirts and some Black Panther. So it'd be like the red Spider-Man. I wanna drop it. I wanna touch
No,
it.
you can't. You can't.
I wanna feel
No touchy.
what it looks like. I wanna feel what it looks like.
I tried making a heart one. And then a heart cheese one. Maybe, I don't know.
That's a bagel?
Yeah.
How long it
Ta-da.
will take to completely cook?
The top one is 8 minutes, and then ito kailangan pang i-cook ng 15 minutes after 8 minutes. So 23 minutes.
That's everything?
Yeah. Ta-da.
But ang tigas, overcooked.
No, hindi. The heart-shaped one. And the one with cheese is a fail. Guys, this is my future room. Like, I think from about this point, that's my future room because my dad's gonna turn this into a room and this is gonna be my room. It's much more smaller than my old room. Literal square. Let's go to my room. So my room before was that room and it was really big, and then I moved to this room. Guys, I lost my door privileges because I always locked myself inside my room, so that's why I don't have a door. I mean, I could have like put it back, but I was literally too lazy. So, because I found out where it is, and then I still have the nails? No, like the screw. But yeah, this is my current room. Ignore how messy it is, but literally, you can't even fit a bed in that room. I don't know what I'm gonna do. First is the tofu. Tofu to diba? Or hindi? Yeah, tofu dessert. I always remember, like, when I was in the Philippines, I would have this every day. Literally every day. Sasabihin nung kuya, taho, baby, taho, baby. And then sago, I really love sago. Ta-da! I didn't brush my hair yet. I showered and I didn't brush my hair yet. Yum yum. guys, I just woke up and I saw that my friend had her schedule for school, so we're gonna go look at my schedule. I have science and English. I'm in math 10C. I'm in English -1. Bro, I have phys ed all year, full year. So I have it for semester 1 and 2. Also bad because it's a whole year thing. I didn't get into outer ed. For the first semester, I have science and English, which is not bad, I guess. And then for the second semester, I have math and social. Okay. I also think I got in shop intermediate construction tech. I think that's shop because last year I wanted to get in, but I didn't. But this year I got in. The only thing that I'm really disappointed about is the outdoor ed because I didn't get in it. So, but for shop that's good too. And then phys ed I got all year, which I wanted, and I think that's good for all of it except for I'm really upset about outdoor. Hey guys, get ready with me to go to work. I have work in less than an hour. Literally just got home from work because, well, not from work, well, yeah, from work. So from work it's like 10:40 right now, 10:45 something, because I went to Timmy's. I bought my little brother a cookie and I got a nice cap for my sister. I'm gonna clean up, and I don't know why I brought this straw because I always grab 2 straws, an extra one always, because they're paper. It's really not good. Ta-da! Okay, now it's time to edit, I guess. Bye. She's smelling like she used to smell way back then. Yeah, I know was so cold, baking down. Maybe I just have to heat it up. It's early and I'm babysitting Matthew. And I'm feeding him too. And Erson's Google. He's also eating. Hey everybody. Just said bye to my dad and my other brother. They're gonna go play basketball. And my sister is at her friend's house, and my mom's at work, and I just got home from work, and now it's just me and Matthew. So I ordered a burger and onion rings and a screamer. Where's the everything? I love everything. Sesame. Where's everything? Where's everything, beggars?
Sausage?
Ayan ba yung dati?
Hindi ko sure eh.
I don't have nails. Strawberry. I got the fruity one, not the soda. How do you do that?
Balik mo to. Mark.
I'm on card trading. Yay! Saan? Saan? Oh, doon.
I have a lolly. It's a popsicle.
Yeah. You like that? Me too. Hey guys, we're gonna do a bonfire. I did not know that the leaves started to die. That the leaves started to die. Look. See that? They're dying. But they're pretty. Probably can't see anything. There's wood. Okay. How am I gonna do this? See my eyes?
Yeah. Papa, look! Papa, this is this. Papa, this one. Papa,
There's
this
one.
This one.
Oh, that one's the broken one. Wow. Hi. Now I'm cutting these little slits. Bakit? Wala. I'm making a video. What's that?
Barbecue yan.
Oh, barbecue?
Tapos lagyan mo ng barbecue. So, lagyan mo muna ng barbecue sauce. May binili tayong barbecue sauce, di ba?
Yeah.
This one. Lagyan mo ng barbecue sauce. Mix mo. Then, lagyan mo sa skewer.
Wait, Papa, i-spread ko ng barbecue sauce first. So I'll just pour it and then I'll mix it. Tapos use the stick. Ganyan na?
Mix mo ng tinidor.
Ano ng tinidor? Ta-da! I did that. And I also have marshmallows. Oh,
Tapos ilagay mo ng stainless kasi matibay. Dalawa to, di ba?
yeah. Nandun yung isa. Oh, this one's cooked. You want the cooked one?
No.
Here.
No.
This one's cooked.
No, I ate it. I want to cook it.
Oh, you wanna cook it?
I'm cooking by myself.
Good job. I taught you, diba?
I don't care.
Remember what I said? More hot dogs.